Are you looking for a different type of dining experience? Something a little bit more
What's the name of this
exotic?
place called again?
Then check out Mrs.
Wait,
Skewers.
Mrs. Skewers.
Exactly what I just said. Mrs. Skewers.
So
This place
basically,
gives
behind
one
the
pot
sources, you
meal
get
a
all
whole new meaning.
broth, half and half. Then you pick
They
out
got a little bit of everything you
lamb,
could possibly imagine. From quail eggs to
uh,
frog legs, turkey,
what is this?
chicken, steak, bacon.
Beef wrapped in peppers,
So much variety.
frog legs.
They even got all the herbs and
Pick out the
spices and
sauces,
seasonings
the type of
that you
shoots
require
you
in order to give
like,
your
cook it
pot
right in front
the
of you.
flavor it needs.
You next. Alright.
Yeah. You can even adjust the temperature on the pot and basically just put it in there. Make your own broth. You got the little skewer sticks. There's a reason why it's called Miss Skewers, because you're pretty much making skewers. But you can also eat it like a stew or soup or whatever you have. You even have stuffed shrimp balls with some type of cream sauce in there. Anyway, man, we went crazy with the chicken and the dumplings and, like I said, the different eggs. And that first bite, you can taste and savor the flavor. And it was truly remarkable. 10 out of 10 would definitely recommend. You want something different? Mrs. Skewers is the place to be.
It's really good. Really, really good.
Really good. Nuba style. Yeah.
30